So have I learned enough of the lessons needed? Do I have the smarts? Okay. So I need 3 straight up and 1 in any orientation. Wow. It's too good. All the obvious ones are blocked off. Okay, so let me close this down. Surround that. And I still have 1 too many in the corner. Okay, so if I did... Okay, so I want... There we go. So that's the 3x3 T block at the bottom, and then 3 sitting in the upper left corner of it. Yes. Alright. What do we win? More puzzles! Hold on, is this an elevating platform? Oh. It's a rotating platform? That depends on which way it is leaning. Ooh, alright. Maybe you have more of these. Trying to remember what the triangle does. Oh, it allows... The triangle is forgiveness. Right? Yeah. Triangle is stronger forgiveness than those negative blue blocks. And it has to be used, I guess? We're just going to confirm that. It does have to be used, right? Yeah, it does have to be used. Hey! Alright. Okay, 4 or 3. That's not gonna work, is it? No. Don't do that! Okay. Wait, that's just, yeah. I'm trying to figure out here. Okay. So, triangle 2, 2, 1. That's got too many. If I do it like this, oh, that's still perfect. I can't ignore it. It does have to cancel something. So, let's make it cancel. So that works. So it can't be fixed that way. This doesn't have space for the L block. This has... Okay, this works. No? Oh, yeah. So if you get used to that. Tells me it's wrong, but then it works. Oh. Poor controller is falling apart. Okay. Alright, these guys want to make something like a square. But which that would, but it doesn't work for. If I were to do this, Oh. That's not going to work at all. Hey! Okay. So, like, ideally I could just square this off and then put forgiveness on the other one, but obviously that's not going to work because there's no way to square it off starting from this corner. But the thing is, given the way this nonsense works, that's not too many. Nope. Like in some areas, you can do the guess just fine, and you'll just start over. Sometimes the screen just black out. Okay. How on earth? Okay, so if this one is here, it can only connect to that, I guess. And that one can likewise connect to that. So if I make that shape, then they should connect to each other. And then forgiveness for the one outside of that. Yeah. Okay, is that just gonna let me go across? Yeah. Ooh. Alright. I'm comfortable being around all this machinery. This is where I tried to come in from the other side last time. Alright. Ooh, it's one of those. It can go anywhere. So I need to get it to... Oh, wow. Hold on, let me on! need that to get down, don't I? Yeah. Tell me they'd be running. Okay. I don't know where I'm standing right now. Maybe it's this point. Okay, I can hop on from here once I do that. Doop, doop, doop. Oh, oh, ah. Okay, hop on. And we're moving. Okay. Straightforward. Ooh. Oh dear. Okay, first off, do you make things easier? Tell me what you did there. Oh well. Wait, I can see where that's connected to. What? Yeah, we'll have to figure that out afterwards. Let's do what we've actually got going up here. Okay, so this is more of moving things around. Let's figure out these guys. Oh. Does the color matter? Can a purple thing cancel a thing that's not purple? Yeah. But it is going to count as completing a thing. Right. But... what? I don't know. What? Okay. Can we put them all in one space? Yes. Huh. Oh. Let me do this again. Okay, so this comes down to what it's actually canceling. In this case, it's not... So in this case, it's not canceling the fault of me only having one sun on that side, because the sun connects to something purple. But this one, it forgives the fault of having three on one side by canceling out one of the suns, I guess. Garf. So, like, if we did this... yeah. Okay, 5 orange ones, 4 purple ones. But you can't have them together. Okay. Ooh, no. They all need to be together and cancel each other out? No. They need to be separated and cancel each other out? No? Oh! Wait, no. Okay, so these guys can cancel out the fault of each other existing on uncanceling something, but then I don't get enough to clear those. What? So don't need good to set them together like that. And if I did this, what happened? They complain about not being able to cancel. And you can't just do this. If I separate just one off. Okay, so that can't. Oh, hold on. Okay. The purple one cancels the green sun. And the green one cancels the purple sun? Right. Because it has to cancel something. But if it's combined with the same color, then that actually counts as a success. So it's not canceling anything. Wow. That's wrong. That's got too many stars together. I don't know if they're stars or suns, but whatever. Also, this is totally not going to work. That's also not going to work. Sort that, I think. And then that. Not even close. Okay, so that. How much can that cancel out? Is a good question. Only cancels out one. Why does it only cancel out one? Didn't I see it cancel out more than one back there? No. It does not. Okay, cancel out one. Let's 3 happen. Nope, nope, nope. Too many on that side. Okay, not quite. Do this from the other side. Okay. So that should work because it'll cancel one and the other 2 match. Then this and oh. These 2. Yeah, there's no way to get that from there. Huff. I'm gonna have to draw some super weird shape in this, aren't I? Yeah. Like this one. Yeah. Alright. This looks like the same thing except reversed. Except probably with the caveat that I can't actually do it just by reversing it. I mean, there isn't really a reason why I shouldn't, is there? Still it. No. Oh, wait, that's got... I drew that wrong. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, there are 5 of these, so I know I have to use one of these to cancel that. And then I have to build a shape that does this. So, like that, except still able to build the shape required. This is not correct. No. The oh, that's 4. Okay then. So that definitely has to be... What? Okay, so 4 and 3. That's the shape, but then I have to do it so that it actually works. Oh, right. Okay. Nope. Wait. What? What? Okay, so either the 4 is along the bottom, and the 3 is on top of it, in a shape that looks like this. Yeah, okay. Bark, bark, bark. Okay, that's the same kind of thing, but this time I actually have to cancel one of these guys, probably. Three. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Then it'll cancel probably 3. No? Oh. Because if it cancels that, then it's no longer using the 3rd square? What? I mean the... Oh. Alright, now this is not colored. If I put 3 in with it, I don't want them any good because they still have to match it with another one. Okay, 4 and then 3 entirely. That's not good. That's not good at all. Why does it want to forgive the 4 before it forgives the 3? Obviously that's not going to work. Okay, hold on. So it's a 4 and a 3. If this can apply to anything, so that separates that, and then it would cancel 3 top, and then there's no use for the 4 wide. We do this. Yeah. Right? There you go. Overthinking that one too much. Alright. Okay, more of them. Alright. 3. No, that's not a good idea. Oh no. Oh no! Okay, so I have to fit this 3, this 3, this 3 together to make a space that contains this and this, so that they cancel each other out while still using all of these. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It can't be that. Okay, so this one probably has to be the center. Okay, so if that one's the center, then it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Well, I guess I can actually give it a shot. So it looks like that. Yeah. As long as those triple blocks can overlap spaces, it can. Okay. Like I didn't know if it could set it on top of that, even though there's already an item in that box. Okay. Okay, so this is the same thing. Ooh. But I have to cover more. Oh. The same thing, but I have to get those on the same side. And that's easier, actually, right? Yeah. Okay. And this one's different. Because we're only going to put in... Ooh. Yeah. Interesting. Okay, so if I do this, that's obviously not going to be good. It's like a 2 upgrade 3 ones. 22. Hmm. Okay, so whatever. These guys do need to be... No. Take 3. Forget the other 3. That won't work. Go around for this. Hmm. Yeah, it's a pain. Alright. So if I can... Hmm. Alright, so I'm trying to figure out which one I can cancel. I'm fairly sure it can't be the horizontal block, because anything that I would do to get to there, I wouldn't be able to draw around it. This needs to be one of these. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. No, I got it. Alright. So it does have to be this one. Okay, so this is not going to work. Oh, it is it? No, it's not. But I think that's the right idea. I just need to get that separated somehow. Maybe if I just start by doing that. Hey. No. Because then there's no surrounding it. That doesn't work. Let's say that it is... Yeah. Okay, so that'll work. It's got the correct suns in individual sections. 3 blocks sectioned off, and it will forgive the tall 3 block. Okay. Alright. And that just goes straight out, and I think up to the laser. So what does this move? Oh. Wait. I'm not understanding this for some reason. It's the same thing as the other one, isn't it? Okay, let me go back and look at the other one because I'm failing at the principle of this. Oh, that's what I moved. It just lifted that gate. Okay. Just walked right up to it and didn't realize what I... Okay, so that machine looks like that. And that one made sense. This one needs... No. Oh. Is that right? No, that's not. Hmm. Surrounding single blocks. Which... Okay. That makes sense. There we go. Alright, what's that gonna do? Oh. What? What? Is that useful if I'm standing outside? Or is that just me setting it to an inconvenient setting? Let me see if I can choose a different one with this principle. Hold on. Is it possible to do that? Yes, you can move it all the way to this side, for example. Okay. So if we move it out there, what? Alright, is this helping mechanically, or are you just trying to show me that? Put it so it's back outside. Just on the off chance it's useful there. Okay.